Unlocking the mystery of magic key. Hello, English learners. Today, we'll delve into the wonderful world of English idioms and explore the meaning of the phrase, magic key. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in your daily conversations. A key is a tool that we use to open locks, doors, or containers. When we say something is magic, we imply that it has special powers or can do things that ordinary objects cannot. So, when you combine the two words, magic and key, you might picture a key that can unlock any door or perform special tasks. In English, the phrase, magic key, often doesn't refer to an actual key. Instead, it's a metaphorical way of describing something that provides a solution or an answer to a problem. When someone says they found the magic key, they mean they found the perfect solution or answer. Example, learning proper time management was the magic key to improving my productivity at work. Now that you know what magic key means, let's see how you might hear it used in daily conversations. 1. If someone is facing a challenge and they discover a great solution, they might exclaim, "I found the magic key." 2. In discussing a challenging situation, someone might ask, "What's the magic key to solving this issue?" 3. When someone feels they have no solution, they might say, "I wish I had a magic key to make all my problems disappear." So, there you have it. The phrase, magic key, isn't about enchanted items from fairy tales. It's a metaphorical way to talk about solutions and answers in our everyday lives. We hope this video has been enlightening. And now you have a new phrase to unlock more meaningful conversations in English. Happy learning!